This one's special. I got up early and got down to University in Phoenix, right off not far from the I-10, near the airport. And this is Little Miss BBQ. And I'll put the address right here. Wow, you can just, once you hit that parking lot, you can just smell the smokers. And this is gonna be good barbecue. Now, I'm a barbecue aficionado. I've been to Franklin's in Austin, so it's a high bar, but so far, I think they're gonna hit it. Got the plate. I chose sliced brisket, and it comes with two sides. I got the baked beans, the campfire baked beans, which has all the little bits of the meat and stuff chopped up in it, and coleslaw. For the plate, $17. So it's a good sized plate for $17. I also got a quarter pound of turkey, a quarter pound of pulled pork, and a quarter pound of barbecue pork ribs. Bread, onions, pickles, all that is complimentary along with sauce. All those meats are different price per pound, so depending on how much it comes out to, it's gonna fluctuate up and down. Very excited to try this barbecue, and I'll tell you how it is. Good, how are you?
Thanks, my name's Kyle. I've been taking care of you.
Kyle, it's my first time, so I just have one quick question. Yes. Can I get some just by the weight, like a quarter pound of this, a quarter pound of that?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Excellent. So can I get and what's the one meat that's like the best?
Brisket is what we're known for here.
Okay, so can I get a sliced brisket plate?
Same for you? For here to go.
For here? And then a quarter pound of pork ribs and a quarter pound of pulled pork.
All right.
Although you kind of sold me on the turkey.
It's all fantastic. The turkey is one of my favorites for sure.
And a quarter pound of turkey too.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try the sliced brisket, no sauce, just straight smoke and seasoning. That is really good. Great flavor from the flavor ring of the barbecue. Wow, little spice from the pepper, but delicious. Now let's try it with the sauce. This is just their sweet sauce. They also have a Carolina mustard sauce and a hot barbecue sauce, but I just went with the sweet. That sweet sauce really rounds it out. Perfect. How about the beans? Make sure I get some meat on it. Oh, a little bit of kick, but delicious. How was the coleslaw, you say? I'll tell you. crunchy, a lot of flavor, not overpowering. You still kind of even taste the cabbage. So that's nice. I'll tell you about the other meats as soon as I have some more of this. Okay, ready to try the pulled pork now. You can really taste that pork. Really meaty. It's lighter on the smoke than the brisket, but delicious. I'm gonna try the rib now. So it comes right off the bone. Here we go. I think I'm gonna have to pick that up and just instead. We also got talked into, and I think I'm gonna be happy about it, their turkey. Smoked turkey. He said it's one of his underrated meats, that people just don't order it enough, but that it's delicious. So here we go. Sliced turkey. Okay, forget the rib, which was delicious. Go for the turkey. If you have to pick one of the two. That is so juicy and delicious. The smoke flavor really comes out. Wow, I don't know if I'll even need sauce for that. A little bit of bread. What a delicious meal here at Little Miss BBQ. Washing it all down with a $3 Mexican Coke. If you like barbecue and you can't get out to Texas, come here. They have this location, but they also have one up on Sunny Slope. One thing I want to tell you, hours are limited. Opens at 11 o'clock, goes until 4, unless they sell out of meat. They sell out of meat. So if you come down here 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, wanting brisket or turkey like I talked about, it might be sold out. So be prepared for that. That's why I got up early to get down here early. Each location has different days and hours, so you'll really want to look into that on their website to see what works best for you. But I hope you enjoyed Little Miss BBQ as much as I did.